Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today is our unboxing for our March company, the Bearded Raven. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so today is our unboxing for our March company for Year of the Beard 2021, the Bearded Raven. So that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to dive into this. I haven't opened it yet, and we're going to check this out. So let's get to my handy dandy knife that we're going to use to open it, if I can get it out. Our Gerber flat iron. So if you missed the video on this one, I'll put a card up top. I did a review on that cleaver blade. So let's just dive right in. So the Bearded Raven is found on Etsy, and they have beard products that are inspired by writing, by fantasy, and adventure. So let's get into this. So we have, it's taped up so it doesn't melt or anything, which the weather today is pretty cool. Check that out. And let's see what all we have in here. We got 3 beard oils. Let's take them out, and we got some paperwork. Let's see what this says. So we've got a list of ingredients. We've got a list of what our scents are. Thank you for testing out my stuff, and welcome to adventure. I hope you like the journey and look forward to your review. Andy the Bearded Raven. So we'll keep that handy in case we need it, but let's dig into this. Try to keep all my trash together. Let's get this bubble wrap off first so we can get a good look at these bottles. And now let's get this tape off. So I'm already intrigued, I'll say that. Check, if I can get the tape off my hand, check out that bottle. That label, that green bottle, that looks sick. That looks awesome. All right, so let's get the tape off all these. And then we'll check out some scents. Let's see what all we got. I'm guessing by the shape of these other 2 containers, we have a beard balm. Get this tape off. It wants to stick to everything. And we got tinfoil on here, which I'm guessing is not only to help it from melting, but also to help keep it regulated. So this is going to be our beard butter. So this is in, I can't hardly read it, the Paladin. I know I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Look at that. That is whipped. And now he did tell me to put it in the refrigerator when I got it, so I literally just took it out of the refrigerator, bring it out here. So it is a little bit firm, but I'm gonna let it sit out a little bit. Oh man, that smells really good. What is that? A blend of Arabian sandalwood, French lavender, cypress, rosemary, and bergamot. That smells really good. All right, so we have the balm in the Nord. Check that out. Let's see. That is firm. Again, that might be because it was in the refrigerator. Ooh, that's I get something like spearmint. It may not be spearmint, but I get some. Man, what is this? An icy blend of Nordic blue spruce, cedarwood, balsam fir, and spearmint. I definitely picked up that spearmint. That smells really good. Whew, man, this is gonna be a good month. All right, so again, we didn't look at the labels on this. So our label on the balm, check that out. The only critique I would have at this point would the scent name be a little bit darker, be a little easier to read, but I love these dark labels. They look really good. And the same for the butter. Looks so good. I just wish the scent name was a little bit darker. All right, so our oils. This is the Nord. And which one is this one? The Rogue. And we have the Paladin. So the only one we hadn't smelled is the Rogue. Let's get a shake. Pretty clear oil. Oh man. Oh, that is a good, what is this? A complex blend of earth, cactus, cactus flower, leather, clary sage, fig, and rose. Leather is what I picked up. I pick up the leather and I pick up some of the, I don't know what I pick up. That smells really good in a bottle. So let's see what our ingredients are. Our ingredients are fractionated coconut oil. Let's see. On the oil, fractionated coconut oil, kiwi seed oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, scented with a complex blend of essential and fragrance oils. Our butter, Kapuka, I know I'm butchering it, I'll put it across the screen. Kapuka oil, maruma oil, butter, babusa oil, and kiwi seed oil, scented with a complex blend of essential oil and fragrance oils. And then our balm, marumerer butter, premium beeswax, babusa oil, and kiwi seed oil, scented with a complex blend of essential and fragrance oils. I am looking forward to this month. These 3 scents smell absolutely amazing. Looking forward to getting them into my beard, giving you guys some information. I know when I mentioned who was in the lineup, a lot of people said they had never heard of the Bearded Raven, so I'm going to give you some insight. So stay tuned through the month of March. We're going to be doing some updates and telling you guys about these scents, because these and how they have worked in my beard, but these smell absolutely amazing. I'm telling you, I am looking forward to that. So if you're interested, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Show me that you watched this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever heard of the Bearded Raven. And out of these 3 scents, let me know in the comments which one you think sounds the best to you. So that's all we've got for today, guys. Link will be in the description below for the Bearded Raven in case you want to get over to their website and check it out. I didn't know what was getting sent, so I don't have prices yet, but I have a link to the website in the description below so you can check it out. And that's all I got. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.